Today we're making pomegranate power. The ingredients you'll need is pomegranate, garlic, lime, and cinnamon. First, you're going to cut your pomegranate as it's displayed above. Cut out each section of the pomegranate and remove the seeds. Slice your limes, peel your garlic, and put everything into a blender. Don't forget to put your cinnamon stick also. Add water and blend. Put your mixture into your pot and add limes. Add some water. Let it boil. And we're done!